Hello and welcome. My name is Susan Moshiri and I will be showing you how I do my own photo shoot at home. So I have a very simple setup. I have a ring light. I have a ring light here. I have a bulb here that is fixed very kienyeji. And I also have another bulb to this side. And then I have this seat and my background here, which is just a plain black background, and that's it. That's all I need. And then myself. So what I do, I normally just set my camera and then put the timer on. I have experimented this for such a long time. It should not have taken me such a long time, but you know, we juggle work and our own interests. Let me show you my setup, my photo setup. So this is my setup. I have the camera here. The laptop is for my music, not much use at the moment, but for post-production it's gonna be so useful. And then for lighting, I have a ring light, one bulb at the top that is kienyeji fixed, and then on the bed I have this lamp, but because this covering is making it covering the light right here. See right here, hapa ndo inanimulika, yes. And then there's the background and the seat. Don't pay attention to my closet, and yeah, that's it basically that's it. Nothing you cannot do, nothing you cannot change. And that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed everything like I did, because I did really enjoy this. And if you would like to see more content from me, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.